Hello everybody, I'm Mark, welcome to our channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick gardening tip on how to repot a seedling the best way without damaging the seedling. Now, when's the best time to repot a seedling? When you can see the roots coming out at the bottom. That's the time to do it. Now, these are butternut squash, and I'm going to actually plant butternut squash in a container. Because they're quite a greedy plant, we need a large container. So this is 30 centimetres by 40. And what I like about this pot, it has its own water reservoir at the bottom. So let's get it all prepared. I'll start off with some normal, general, all-round compost, designed for pots. I like to get my hands in. Guys, you may see the rabbit hutch behind me. The secret ingredient when you have rabbits is rabbit droppings. So I'm going to put some of them in. Okay guys, so we've got the rabbit droppings and the general all-round multi-purpose compost. I'm now going to put some fertiliser in as well, just to enrich the mixture even more. Let's give all that a mix. So we've got a general compost in here, some fertiliser, and our magic ingredient, the rabbit droppings. Used to have chickens in the past, and their droppings were brilliant for gardening as well. The beauty of the rabbit droppings is it's known as cold manure, and this can be put in your garden as soon as it comes out of the rabbit. So this is brilliant. Okay, we'll just top that up now with the all-purpose. Okay guys, this is the tip for repotting your seedlings without damaging them. Rather than take the seedling out of the pot and plant it in, create a hole in the soil that you've just put in around the pot. Firm it down nicely. And then when you remove the pot, you're left with a hole the same measurement as the pot. Now, I've pre-soaked the seedlings so they're nice and wet, so one shake should get them out. As you can see, there's the root system. Just pop that straight into the hole that you've already created, and that's it. Just water them in and they're unharmed. Perfect way to repot seedlings and to grow butternut squash in a container. We've actually got 3 here. Over the next week I'm going to see which of these butternut squash seedlings is the strongest, and I'll weed out the other 2, because growing butternut squash in a container, you really can only have one plant in a container because they're very hungry plants, and that's why the rabbit droppings are in there as well, and the extra fertiliser. So we'll leave this in there a week. We'll give it a good soak now, and after a week I'll thin out the 2 and just keep the 1. And that's how to repot a seedling without damaging the seedling. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this gardening tip on how to repot seedlings and how to grow butternut squash in a container. If you did, please like and share. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon. Take care. Okay guys, 2 weeks later, and as you can see, we've thinned out the butternut squash. We've just got the strongest plant left in the container. As you can see, the butternut squash is doing really well. Looking forward for it to spreading all over the garden and giving us a bounty of butternut squash. Take care everybody.